Welcome to you all. Today we will see storage options in Android. Here in Android provides several options for you to save persistent application data. The solution you choose depend on the specific need. That specific need means your specific need, what kind of storage you want. You want internal storage, you want external storage, or you want database. Depends on your need. So based on that you can choose the storage options. So here basically we have some storage, that is internal storage, there is external storage, then SQLite database, then shared preferences. These four kind of storage we have in Android for the Android applications. Now today first we will see exactly what is exactly internal storage. Internal storage is store private data on a device memory. Here we can store some data into file. First we have to create file and then we have to store data. How we can store that we will see now. The internal storage, in this the Android can save file directly to device internal storage. These files are private to the application and will be removed if we are uninstalling that application. Means if we uninstall that application, so our file automatically will remove from the internal storage. To create file we have open file output with some parameter and the file name and some operating mode. Operating mode in the sense is private or any other operating modes. And when we want to open file, so for that we have open file input and we have to pass the parameter with the file name. In this we have to remember one thing: when we are giving the file name we have to give with the extension. So now we will see the simple example based on Android for the internal storage. Now here you can see this is the internal storage application already I have created. Now how this particular application will work, we will see now. There is two things are very important: the src folder and the res folder. Inside the res folder there is main, so there is layout. Inside that layout we have main.xml, where I have used one text view and then again that one edit text and another second text view and second edit text. Here I am going to enter the file name and here I am going to enter the content of that file. When I'm after entering those values, when I'm clicking on this save button, so it will save that file with the content in internal storage. We will see where exactly that file will store. We will see now. We will concentrate first in the .java file, how we access this edit text and button. So for that we have to create one Java file. So already these are the code I have used to access those widgets. Now here I have used edit text. So I have created two objects for the edit text. One object we will use for entering file name, another object I have used for the content of that file, and one object for the button. And then the simple, there is a on create bundle. All this use when we are running our activity, it will create first. Now to access that widgets, means that edit text, we have to use find view by ID, as we have discussed in very first session. Now in this I have created two edit text, so I have accessed both the edit text using this two objects using find view by ID. Now for the when I'm clicking when I will click to that button, so some action has to be happen. For that I have used here button save, the object of the button, and then the set on click listener. In this in on-click listener, I have created two strings, and using this two string I am saving first string I am saving the file name, and other string I am saving the content of the file, and after that I am creating one file. For that I have declare here one object. Using this object I have created one file with the file name and the mode of that file, that is private. Now on that file I am writing something using content.bytes, and after that I am closing that file. If everything is proper, then we will get the save message, the file name and with the save message. Now we'll run this application and we'll see what kind of output we will get. For running this application we have to go to right click on this application, run as an Android application. It will take some time. Now this is our emulator. Here we will get our output. Now we will see that output. Here this two edit text we have. So first enter the file name. Suppose I am entering hello.txt, and then I am entering the content of that file, that is hello teachers, how are you, and save this. We'll get that message hello txt saved. Now where exactly this hello text file is created, now we'll see that. For that we have to go to DDMS, then the file explorer, click on the emulator, then the file explorer, go to data, this data, then go to the another data folder. Inside that we have to search the package name of our application. So what is our package name? The com.example.internal storage. So we have to search that package. Here is that package, com.example.internal storage. There is a file folder. Inside the file folder that hello text is there. Now take this text and pull this text into desktop, click OK, it's pulled now. Check that here is that file, double click on this. Now you can see here whatever the text I have entered inside the second edit text, that is that content we are getting inside this file. So this is the way we can use internal storage in Android. Okay, now we will see the next internal storage extra storage area, that is external storage.